In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook ad creative in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to digital marketing or just need a quick refresher, this guide will simplify the process so you can focus on reaching your audience effectively. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by typing facebook.com/ads manager into your browser. This tool is your control center for all things related to Facebook ads, offering a wealth of options to fine-tune your campaigns. Once you're in Ads Manager, look for the Create button. You'll find it prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to start crafting a new campaign. This workflow helps keep your campaign creation process streamlined and organized, making it easier to manage your ads in the long run. Next, you'll need to choose a campaign objective. Facebook provides several objectives to align with your business goals, whether that's increasing traffic to your website, lifting brand awareness, or driving conversions. Selecting the right objective is crucial as it optimizes Facebook's algorithm to target the right audience for your aims. Now, as we move to the ad level, it's time to focus on the ad creative section. This is where the magic happens and where you'll bring your ad to life. Begin by selecting the desired ad format. Depending on your needs, this could be a video, a single image, or a carousel ad. After choosing your format, the next crucial step is uploading your media. High-quality images or videos that align with your brand will make your ad more appealing. Then, you'll want to craft your primary text. This is your main message, so make it compelling and clear. Following that, add a catchy headline. Think of this as your first impression. It's what draws users in. A well-written headline can significantly boost engagement. You have the option to add a description here as well, though it's not mandatory. It can provide additional context or details for your audience. Next, you'll input your destination URL, which is where users will land when they click your ad. Ensure this link is correct and directs users to the most relevant page. After setting up your ad details, choose a call to action or CTA. This button guides users on what to do next, whether it's learn more, shop now, or contact us. A well-chosen CTA can greatly enhance the user experience and brand interaction. Before wrapping up, take a moment to preview your ad across different placements like mobile, desktop, and Instagram. This ensures your ad looks great and functions well across various devices. Once satisfied with your creation, the last step is to click that Publish button. Your ad will undergo a standard review process before it goes live. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've crafted a Facebook ad ready to engage your audience. Remember, with each campaign you create, the more you'll learn about what works best for your brand and audience. Happy advertising!